Shock activity. Every activity it's an opportunity to have nice people, nice friends. So
Yes.
yes, we're going to go to puppy yoga. I'm excited.
Yes, we do.
I want so much.
To
It's
touch
even
the puppy.
yeah. We were going to have husky and golden retriever.
Yes.
Look at yourself. Guys, I'm sorry, but this is so illegal. Look at this fluffy, puffy puff. I don't know what is your name, but you are very fluffy. The yoga lasted for 45 minutes, and 30 minutes we have just to play, to take pictures, to enjoy time with the puppy. But actually, I don't really manage to do any of yoga because I wanted to play more. Words. Yeah, so cute. Yes. I feel so good right now. It's going to run. Why no 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 no. Okay guys, we just now finished our puppy yoga session. So what we've got it's one rose. It's so nice. And also we've got a Polaroid picture. This is mine, for example. And as well we've got a cookie. So I feel extremely happy. I feel extremely happy. And also it's so hot today in Bangkok.